Let problem. List of four smallest elements of the set. Now, the bracket here is used as a set builder notation. So we have to read this one as the set of all y such that y equals 2x plus 1, where x is in the set of natural numbers. And we have the choices A, B, C, and D. We have to understand that natural numbers are also known as positive integers. Hence, the smallest number in the set of natural numbers is 1. It follows that choices A and B are out. Obviously, only choices C and D are left. Using y equals to x plus 1, we have if x equals 1, y equals 3. If x equals 2, y equals 5. This is enough to say that C is